out, we're proud of leopard. And so when it became time to think about the next big cat, we decided to name it Snow Leopard, to build upon leopard. And the challenge that we set for ourselves is to build a better leopard. So what does that mean? 3 things. First, lots of refinements across board. Second, powerful new technologies. And third, exchange support. So, let me talk to each in turn. First, refinements. You know, macOS 10 is made up of a lot of projects, over 1,000 projects. And for Snow Leopard, we've decided to refine over 90% of all those projects. So let me give you some examples. The Finder. We actually love the way the Finder is in Snow Leopard. And so for Snow Leopard, we did not change it, at least the user interface. What we did do is rewrite it using our modern toolbox, Coco, so that we are better positioned for the future. And from that rewrite, there's lots of little benefits, lots of little touches that you'll start noticing once you, excuse me, once you start using Snow Leopard. Next, the dock. In Leopard, we added a beautiful 3D rendering for the dock. But I don't know about you, but my desktop sometimes has a little more clutter. And we've had a feature for the longest time on how to deal with clutter. It's called Exposé. So what we did is we've built Exposé into the dock. The way it works is you just click and hold on an app tile, et voila, you select the window you want. Next, installation. That's probably your first contact with Snow Leopard, and we've made it even faster, up to 45% faster. But maybe more importantly, after you install Snow Leopard, you actually recover some disk space. Over half the footprint of the OS, over 6 GB more space, thanks to technologies like file system compression. Preview. Preview is, of course, our favorite way to view images and PDF files, and we've made common operations faster. There's also lots of little touches. The one I like is about text selection in PDF files. In Leopard, you can actually select text and copy-paste it into other applications. But it doesn't always follow the logical order of the text. In Snow Leopard, we've used a little bit of AI to actually infer the structure of the document. Next, Chinese input methods. It can be cumbersome to enter a character, a Chinese character, with a keyboard. But you've got a trackpad. Why not use it? This is exactly what we did with Snow Leopard. You can draw with your finger. And the computer picks the most appropriate character, even predicts the next character to come. Next, mail. Everyone uses mail. We've made it even faster, and quite a bit faster for common operations, as you can see. Next, Safari. We've been working on a new version of Safari called Safari 4, with features like top sites. It's been in beta for a couple of months, and I'm very proud to announce that today we are shipping Safari 4 for Leopard, Tiger, and Windows. Safari 4 offers unsurpassed speed, speed for HTML and speed for JavaScript for your Web 2.0 web pages. This chart here shows the standard SunSpider JavaScript benchmark, and the scale is multiples of IE8 speed. It's also very, very standard. In fact, the gold standard for the ultimate test for standardness is the acid-free test, and it passes 100%. To put that in perspective, IE8 passes 21%. So Safari 4, of course, will also be available on Snow Leopard. It will be included in Snow Leopard. And in Snow Leopard, there's a couple extra features you don't get on the other platforms. The first is crash resistance. Let's say you browse the web, have quite a bit of state buildup. Well, let me tell you a little secret. The #1 cause of crashes across all of macOS 10 is actually browser plugins. So if your plugin crashes in Snow Leopard, you just get this rectangle, but the rest of your windows are intact. All you need to do is reload that page, and that's it. You haven't missed a beat in your browsing. The second feature that you get only on Snow Leopard is even more speed. You know the JavaScript benchmark I showed you a few slides ago? That's a 32-bit benchmark. When you run in 64-bit, you go even faster. And of course, we run application in 64-bit. QuickTime. We have an all-new QuickTime in Snow Leopard. We call it QuickTime 10. It's an all-modern stack. It fully leverages hardware acceleration. It's super efficient. It's color correct. And we're debuting a new technology for streaming called HTTP streaming, because it's all based on standards, HTTP, AAC, H.264. It works with any web server, like an Apache server. It's really cool. So since we had such a change in the back end of QuickTime, we decided to also change the user interface of the QuickTime player. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, the contents is center stage. In fact, as you start playing, the on-screen controls, including the window title, go away to let you enjoy your contents. So what I'd like to do now is have you see some of the features and little touches that we've added in Snow Leopard. And for that, I'd like to ask my colleague, Craig Federighi, VP of macOS Engineering, to demo to us some of the refinements.
Thank you, John. Oh, you guys are too kind. All right. So I'm going to cover 3 areas in this sneak peek of Snow Leopard, and we're going to start with Dock and the Finder. Now, one feature of the dock is Stacks. Stacks makes it really easy to get quickly at your documents and your downloads without cluttering your desktop. And in Snow Leopard, Stacks handle large contents better than ever. I can now scroll through a large stack, and if I have subfolders like this vacation folder, I can just drill right in without leaving Stacks. Yeah, pretty nice. Now, I could open this document right here, but I want to jump into the Finder to show you a couple nice touches there. So here we are in icon view. Looks pretty familiar, but if you look in the lower right, you'll see that we have a magnification control. I can now magnify